I'm here with a 2002 Chevy Silverado. I'm gonna replace the speaker in the door of the rear extended cab. What I have here is one of my speakers went bad, so I'm gonna take the door apart and I'm gonna remove the speaker and I'm gonna put the new one in there. So let's begin. I'm gonna start with a 7mm and take off the two bolts that are holding the door together. I'm going to set those aside for now. And then I have to remove this panel that's holding the door latch together by using one of these. You want to be careful so you don't break the clips that are behind there. Just stick that back in there and it should pop right out. You're going to pull the handle and it should slide right off. Now I'm going to remove the actual panel to the door, and I'm going to just take my door panel remover, stick it back behind there. And just pry out the clips off. You want to be careful so you don't break your clips, especially on an older vehicle like this one. And just go around all sides and just make sure you pop all of them out. Once I've done that, the doors will come right off, and I'm going to set that aside for now. And then I just have a Phillips head screwdriver on my drill. I'm going to remove the 4 screws holding the speaker in. Once I have done that, the speaker should come right out. And seeing since these have already been replaced, they already have the terminal clips that go onto the speakers. You just gently pop those off, remove the speaker. And I have the new speaker here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just reconnect the wires in the same place that I removed them before. They should only fit one way, so you shouldn't really have any problems reattaching them. And I'm just gonna pop the speaker into place, and I'm gonna use the new screws that came with the new speakers. I have 4 new bolts to go in with to hold the speaker in place. And it's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you replace the rear door speakers on your 2002 extended cab Chevy Silverado.